Hey, Cal, guess what?
What?
I saw an ad for a workshop that'll teach me how to invest in real estate.
Okay.
They said I could buy property for cheap from anyone who didn't pay off their taxes from last year.
Are you talking about one of those sketchy workshops that says if you pay off somebody else's delinquent taxes, you get ownership rights to the property?
How'd you know?
I've seen those signs too, but that's not how things work in Minnesota.
But how do things work?
Well, Minnesota has a bunch of laws about how a property can be forfeited when people don't pay their taxes. Owners get a bit of time to pay off the delinquent balance.
Really now?
But there's a limit to that time. So when the redemption period ends,
Wait, the what?
when the time runs out to pay off the delinquent tax balance, then the property forfeits to the state of Minnesota. The county takes care of everything on behalf of the state, and the property becomes tax forfeited land.
So once it becomes tax forfeited land, what do they do with it?
Well, then they can sell it.
Pretty cool. Well, now, you seem to know a lot about this stuff. Could you help me look for property so that I don't have to go to that sketchy workshop?
For sure, I can help you. Okay, first go to Hennepin County's tax forfeited land page. Here you can learn a little bit about what tax forfeited land even is. Now scroll down and click on the link to view the properties available for sale.
Okay.
So you really should read the disclaimer because all of the properties are sold as is. But if you scroll past it and just click accept, just know they tried to tell you. So, do you want residential or commercial?
I'd like both, please. Residential. I'm kidding. I meant residential.
Okay. Now, do you want a property with a building or do you want wide open space?
I guess both would be fine, though I would prefer a building. Also, for some of these properties, it says listed by broker. What does that mean?
That means that the property is sold through a traditional real estate transaction. Like a real estate company. But most of the properties are sold through the online auction. It'll say on the website how it's being sold.
Okay, cool. Okay, I really like this one right here.
Okay, great. Click on it and it will give you more details on the property.
Looks like there's an auction for it right now. How do I get into the auction?
That's where MNBid comes in.
What's MNBid?
MNBid. It's a third-party online auction website through the state of Minnesota. A place where government entities can sell the things that they need to sell. Hennepin County uses it as a place to host the online auction.
Oh, neat.
So, if you want that property, you're going to need to register at MNBid. All you need to create an account is your ID number from a driver's license, government-issued photo ID, or a passport.
Okay, cool. Wait, what is my company tax ID number? I don't have a company.
You don't need to worry about filling that in then.
Okay.
But if you were bidding for a company, you would need your company's tax ID number to register. And the website only allows for one account per tax ID number. So you would need to check in with your coworkers to make sure that they are okay with you being the person bidding on behalf of the company.
Yeah, I don't have a company still.
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, let's get your account.
Okay, account. Now that I have an account and I know which property I want to bid on, can I just start bidding?
You should do some more research and planning first.
Like what? I already know the price range, and look, it's on sale too.
Whoa. Slow down, then. The auction's open for another 9 days. See the closing date? And do you even know what you're going to use the property for? Do you know how you're going to pay for the property? Have you been to the open house? Have you even driven by the property? You always need to visit the property before bidding or buying, or at least look thoroughly at the video walkthrough.
Give me a second. Okay, Cal, I think I got it all together now. So, I drove by the property and I went to the open house. And there's a hole in the roof that I'm definitely going to need to fix, but I still want to buy the property and flip it. I also got a letter from my lender who says that they'll loan me $156,000 for the property. And I also budgeted $10,000 in my savings so that I can pay all the down payments and any fees that come along with it. Oh, and I also checked in with the city about what I can and can't do with the property.
Great. Okay, now you can bid on the property.
But what if I have more questions?
Use the contact button on MNBid's website, and it will send a message straight to Hennepin County.
What's next?
Okay, so you can place your bid manually each time you want to bid higher. Or you can set a maximum bid amount in the system, and it will automatically increase your bid until the sale price reaches that amount.
Then can I just bid as much as I want?
Not exactly. The starting bid must be at least the minimum bid or higher. And each time you place a follow-up bid, it has to be a certain amount higher than the last competing bid.
What do you mean by that?
So let's say the current bid is $100. You can't just outbid them by bidding $101. You would need to bid $105. The higher the bid, the higher you need to increase your bid by.
I see.
Which is why it's very important to look at things like the bid increment requirement. It'll show you on the website how much you need to increase your bid by.
Okay then, let's say, hypothetically, I outbid myself so that I can win the property. And then once I win, I only want to pay my second highest bid amount. Can I do that?
Alex, no, you can't do that. The winning bid is the price you must pay. So always double check your numbers, because once you hit the place bid button, you can't change the number. Only bid how much you're willing to pay.
Okay, fine. But what if I just bid at the last second to guarantee my win that way?
Well, when you bid at the last second, it will extend the online auction for another 90 seconds to allow for other bidders to increase their bid.
Oh my.
This isn't eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Be professional, Alex. Just get your bids in while the online auction is still open until you reach how much you're willing to pay for the property.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what if I win the bid and change my mind and I don't want the property anymore?
Well, if you win the bid and don't close, your account will be suspended for 6 months.
Okay, fine. I'll make sure I can actually follow through on buying anything I bid on it. Cal, I won the bid!
Congrats!
Thank you.
I'm so excited to see what you're going to do with it.
Me too. Okay, now, how do I close and get this property?
Okay. Look for emails from both MNBid and Hennepin County TFL auctions.
Mm-hmm.
If you didn't get an email, check your spam folder too.
Okay.
Call them if you still didn't get it.
Okay.
Respond to both emails within 24 hours and finish paying MNBid in the next 10 days.
Okay, but what if I don't respond within 24 hours? Or what if I don't finish paying?
If they haven't heard from you in the next 3 business days, they're going to offer the property to the next highest bidder, and your account will be suspended for 6 months.
Okay, I'll see you then.
So, I finished paying MNBid, and I've set up a meeting with the county. What should I bring?
Bring your payment for the closing fees and your government-issued photo ID. Payment must be in the form of cash, cashier's check, or money order payable to Hennepin County Treasurer.
But then do I walk with the deed to the property?
Well, you'll walk away with the keys, and the county will request the deed from the state, but it takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the whole process to be complete. But don't worry, Hennepin County will send you a copy of the recorded deed once the recording process is done.
Okay, but that's it though. I'm done, right?
That's it.
Cool. Yay.
Now that I think about it, buying property from Hennepin County tax forfeited land seems pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Maybe I should think about buying some property too.
You should.